Namaste friends, welcome back to the Sarthi Technology. In the last video, we have added one two-dimensional array data in the Excel file, and now in this video we will discuss about date format, which is very common and very necessary if you are generating Excel file. Okay. So here in this screen you can see some common code which we are using in all our videos. So if you are watching this video series from starting, you know what is this code. Okay. So now first we need to create one string array that will hold some dates. So here you can just create. Okay. So here this is string array. Its name is table data and it has some dates. So here you can easily recognize that this is the month, this is the date, and this is year, but here it is difficult to recognize this is date or this is date. This is the confusion. So in Excel we format date so we can easily recognize, and that function we are using here. So first we need to create one row object and one cell object. Okay, so we have this row and cell object, and also we will create two integer objects for initial position of these data. Okay. Now here we need to create one string object for date format. So Excel date format. And here you can just put date format. So in our example we will use dd, mm, and yy. Okay, so first thing we need to create one string object. Next we need to create one cell style object. Use this workbook dot create cell style. Okay. Now one data format. So we have this cell style object and one data format object. Now use this cell style object, cell style dot set data format, and data format will be data format dot get format, and here we will put that string. Okay, so Excel date format. Okay, so we have one cell style which holds data format, and data format is this. Okay, now create one for loop. Now row equal to sheet1 dot create row, row position plus I. I have discussed this for loop in previous video, so if you are getting confused then you can also watch previous video. Now create cell, row dot create cell and column position. Okay, now cell dot set value, and here we need to create one simple date format object. So new simple date format, and here excel date format dot parse table data, and position will be I. Okay, here you can see a red line, so press alt enter and add exception to the method signature. Now we need to set the cell style, so cell style is cell dot set cell style, and here cell style object. Okay, so now let's run this. Here you can see file created, and here this is the date. Okay, so date is very, I think I have done some mistake. So here I have done one mistake. These y should be in lower case. So y. Okay, and now again run this. File created, and now let's open the file. Here you can see the values, and when I will click on this cell, here type is date. Okay, right click and format cell, and here you can see DDMMYY format. Okay, so this was the demonstration how to format the cell in date format. One more thing I want to tell you, these dates was stored in one string array, but what if you want to add current date? So for that just close this, and here after this we will create one another row and cell. So row equal to sheet1 dot create row, and for example 10, cell equal to row dot create cell, and for example cell position will be 3, and here we will set current date. So cell dot set cell value new date. Okay, press alt enter. Okay, I have done this mistake. set cell value. Okay, now cell dot set cell style, and cell style will be cell style. Again, let's run this. Here file created, and now the output is this. Okay, so this is the current date. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Now please like this video and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.